Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the likes, hit those comments down there at the bottom. Today we're working on a 2013 Ford Fusion SEL model. I gotta swap out a passenger door here and replace it with another one. So I'm going to show you how to rip apart the door panel and what do I do to remove this door. So let me meet you guys outside and I'll show you my first steps. As you can see, this door has some good damage. It's not really worth fixing. It's an older car. The wrinkle goes all the way to the bottom, all the way along the edge. It's rubbing here, so it's a little misaligned also. But I've got another door painted, ready to go. What I got to do is remove this door panel, door card. I need to remove this whole door actually, but I want to strip off as much as I can so it's a little lighter. I just got to unhook the harness here, unhook the hinges, and the whole thing will come off. But I want to get this panel off. It just makes life easier for me. So let me show you the first step. There's a little screw inside of here. You can see there. Looks like a star bit. I'll give you the size here in a second. There's also another one inside of here that, if I know my Fords, should be a 7mm. A little bit more. Probably could use a magnet. There you go. Alright. That just helps release the door panel. Let me get this screw out of there. Can I unplug this one-handed, folks? Let's see. Just squeeze the tab and pull. There you go. Now I gotta find out what screw that is. It looks like a 20mm star. Let me see if I can get that. Oh, that's a 15. Alrighty. Yes, 20mm. You'll see. It's a T20. I keep saying millimeters with these star bits. Now this door panel also has a broken glass and that's it. You can see the handle stays in place with that. I just got to get a good grip somewhere. Let me see if I can get my clip tool so I can get a good grip on this door panel and pop that off. Alright, let's see. I got my pry tool in there. I just need to be able to pop it so I can get a good grip on it. Alrighty. There is supposed to be another screw on this corner here, but this one is missing. And that's about it. I need to work this harness out, undo it from the vehicle. As soon as I get to that point, I'll hit you guys up. Alright, I peel back this panel here so I can unplug the harness. And then I pulled it out. There's a clip on the top and bottom of it that you can press in with like a nice flathead, or if you can reach in from the inside, you'll be able to get it. So now I just got to unhook it here, undo the hinges, and this car is all set. So let me take care of all that, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, folks, door is swapped out. There's the old one. Now all I gotta do is remove all the trim, all the plastic rubbers, and the glass. This one has a broken glass. You can see a couple pieces here. I gotta replace this cover here, this trim, this molding, the wire harness, the speaker, all that stuff needs to be transferred over. So that's about it, folks. It's gonna be a nice short one. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that I do around here. So I'd appreciate it if you guys hit up one of these other videos. Hit that little icon right there, the one with the car. Yeah, that helps me out, man. Those are my subscriptions. Help me climb, folks. Help me climb. Maybe I'll do a giveaway or some reward for those of you that help me get to where I need to get. But so for right now, share the love and be nice to each other. Peace.